All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Today, we finally got the full video of this 2013 Ford F-150 Platinum 4x4 crew cab short bed. You guys can see how glossy that paint is right there. She is shining. Anyway, a couple things about this truck. Nitto Ridge Grapplers, 35s. They got every bit of 75-80% tread. You guys can see the frame right there. Clean as they get. Unfortunately, we got some lug nuts on the way. Ford makes the shittiest lug nuts, man. If you guys think Ford makes a shitty lug nut, drop a like on this video, because I swear, I replaced Ford lug nuts probably even on like 2020s that are only 5 years old. Anyway, upgraded steel bumper. Again, like I said, loaded up Platinum Edition, spray-in bed liner. It comes with some, what is that shit? Oh, pollen. It comes with free things of pollen in there, too. These damn trees are dropping pollen over here like freaking grenades. Another good shot of the undercarriage. Like I said, you guys can see the paint is in extremely good shape. No big dents, dings, nothing that you guys would expect. This is a unique color. It looks black, but then it's got like some really, like, I don't know if it's deep brown, purple, like haze. It looks really, really good. A lot of people mistake it for black. It's not black, but it damn sure looks black. See that better angle of it right there? Like, look at that. Come on now. Anyway, Platinum Edition. Got the peanut butter. We got the peanut butter interior. We got the peanut butter steering wheel. Stop. Let me fire this thing up. Anyway, mechanically, 100-point inspection. This truck has, it got new turbo cooler lines, rear main seal, a bunch of other suspension stuff, I believe, as well. Anyway, like you guys said, no check engine lights, no issues like that. Heated seats, cooled seats, obviously dual climate control. This one is equipped with a sunroof. I wouldn't doubt if we fix that too. We fix F-150 and F-250 sunroofs like it's freaking, like it's our freaking job, man. Ford has not figured out how to get away from plastic sunroof rails. It's about the dumbest thing I've ever seen. But anyway, we've probably fixed it. If it was, excuse me, if it was broke, we would have fixed it. Anyway, look, man, you get a rock, you get a free rock when you go home. A couple rocks. Anyway, interior, exterior, extremely good shape. You guys can see how glossy that paint is right there. They don't get much nicer than this. Like I said, this is a 2013, 154,000 miles on the clock. It's been serviced top to bottom, so mechanically you should have no issues. This truck does have subs. It's got a little amp, so anybody that wants a little bit of extra boom boom, that'll get you some boom boom right there. We got a new release lever coming for the seat. Like I said, leather interior's in gorgeous shape as well. I mean, she's standing tall, bro. Come on. Anyway, cheap truck too. I think we got this truck priced at $19,995 in a 4WD 3.5 EcoBoost F-150 standing tall Platinum Edition. Anyway, if you guys like this video, holla at your boy. Drop me a like, say what's up. If you guys have any questions, give me a call direct, 843-697-7501. You guys can always come check us out if you're right here local in Charleston. DLUX Motorsports, Highway 78, the king of lifted trucks down the street. If you guys need one, you got any questions, give us a shout. Until next time, next video, it's your boy Mark. I'm out of here. Peace.